All right, so another day here with the two Germans. Hello, let's go. Hija, ¿cómo te llamas también?
Alejandra, hola.
Alejandra. Alejandra, this is our.
De Colombia.
Yeah, Alejandra de Colombia. Yes, let's go. She is our wonderful driver to el Terminal Norte. So we're gonna go to the Guatapé. Vamos a la
para Guatapé.
Sí, Guatapé, sí.
Sabroso.
Sí.
¿Está peligroso allá o no?
No. Muy chilo, muy
sabroso.
Muy sabroso, sí. Muy ocupado con los turísticas, ¿no?
Muy bonito.
Muy bonito.
Aunque ya las reservas y todas estas cosas están muy secas por cuestión del clima.
Sí.
Ha secado mucho la represa.
¿Es más arriba en las montañas?
Exacto, sí.
Claro,
pero es muy
ok.
lindo, es demasiado lindo.
Claro. Estamos muy emocionados para caminando en el lugar.
Ah, sí. No hay problema, no tiene problemas allá.
Ay, perdón.
De seguridad estamos bien.
¿Qué onda? ¿Qué onda? Oye,
We're ready for Guatapé.
¿qué onda, güey? Alright, so the plan here is to get to los motos muy locas.
Demasiado.
Sí.
Sufren mucho.
Sí, pero
Demasiado.
sí, pero yo tengo una moto también en los Estados Unidos, pero estoy más tranquilo.
Claro.
Sí, estoy más tranquilo.
Acá es muy
Sí. Más tranquilo. Ay. Okay, so the plan is, we're gonna go to the bus station, and then we're going to get the bus, go about. ¿Cuánto tiempo tomar el autobús a Guatapé?
¿Cuánto tiempo?
Sí, ¿cuánto tiempo?
Una horita y media de aquí a Guatapé.
Sí, más o menos 1 hora, 2 horas.
Una hora.
So 1 hour. 1 hour to get to Guatapé, which is this really amazing place where it's like a rock structure and you can climb up there. I'm really excited. So basically, this morning I woke up not feeling the greatest. I didn't feel like super bad.
I wanted to eat the tacos, I told him not to eat.
Whatever, bro. Whatever. You can have your Italian pasta. So we went back to the Mexican spot, grabbed some tacos last night. Me and Aaron, we got those, and this morning I woke up not feeling the greatest, but now I feel a little bit better, so it's okay. And so with Aaron, but you know, it's not gonna stop us from having a good time. We're gonna go out and explore. But yeah, Aaron's feeling okay still. So. We're feeling so.
Really better. I think it will be better.
Yeah, we will be better. It hit him a little bit later than me.
Walking and drinking water and
Exactly, just drinking water, rehydrating. I think that was it too. Like I didn't drink enough water last night. I woke up really thirsty this morning.
stay hydrated, guys.
Yeah. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. This guy knows. All right. Off to the terminal. Okay, here we go. Muchas gracias, Alejandra. Hasta luego. Alright, let's go. Here we go. And just like that, we made it out. Made it out alive, boys. That's right. How we do it? How we do? Okay. So let's go find the
Bus station.
sí, la oficina para los boletos. Damn, bro, this is huge. I was not expecting this.
Me neither.
I was not expecting this. So they have Dunkin' Donuts over there. That's pretty crazy. Terminal de transporte. Centro comercial. Punto de turismo.
Crazy big.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it? Hola, buenas. Hola, buenas. ¿Cómo estás? Quisiera 3 boletos para un autobús de Guatapé.
Guatapé.
Sí, por favor.
Bajando 2 pisos.
Sí.
Baja 2 pisos. A su derecha, al fondo, taquilla 9 o 14.
Claro, ¿de abajo o...?
Sí.
Okay.
Bajando 2 pisos, sí. 2.
Okay, gracias. Buenas. Right there.
Perfect.
Perfecto. Yo creo que at least.
It's like a
This is wild. This is
like an
wild.
airport.
Yeah, exactly. Well, I think the metro runs here too, yeah, so. Para Guatapé.
9 o 14 arriba.
Ok, muchas gracias. 9 o 14. 9 o 14. Ok. 9 o 14. See, look at that. Everyone's so nice here and willing to help out. We look lost. We look like we don't know what we're doing. We can speak all the Spanish in the world. We still look like we don't know what we're doing. 9 or 14, so that way. Okay, so this is the Terminal Norte, and I was not expecting it to be this big, honestly, but it looks like this is where you go to get all the buses to connect you throughout the entire country, and you might even be able to go international with some. Where did he go? Okay, there he is. We're gonna lose homie. Hola, buenas. Quisiera, muy bien, gracias. Quisiera 3 boletos para Guatapé, por favor. Okay.
La derecha, la número 20.
Número 20. ¿Qué hora saben?
¿Qué es 30?
30. Gracias, buenas. So these guys all just want to sit down when we're about to sit down for another 2 hours. And he stands up. Only this guy. Only this guy. What's he doing, this guy?
He's like lazy.
What's he doing, this guy? So this guy's a rebel. He's not going in it. He's not yet. He's crazy, bro. So we're basically just waiting to let's leave at 10:30. And then we'll go. Okay, wow. It feels good to get out. Gracias. Gracias. How is it, boys?
Perfect.
Yep. And then we met some other friends, 2 from Germany and 1 from Switzerland. Say hi, y'all. Switzerland? Yes. I love it. We're just gonna all go do this hike? Yeah, hike. We're gonna do this hike together. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great.
It's more like a walk.
I guess a walk, yeah. Not a walk in the park, but a walk. Yeah. Not a walk in the park, but a walk. And of course, Mr. Hungry's always hungry. This fucking guy.
Really nice.
Oh man. Well, this is not the best thing to do when you're sick, but it's fine. We're in this together. Okay, so we have to go up that. What do you think?
Too hard.
Too hot? It is, yeah. Hola, buenas tardes. Sí. Gracias. All right, here we go. Okay, now we're closer. It doesn't look that much far, but we'll see. We'll see in a little bit. Oh, qué rico.
Qué bueno.
Qué lindo. Qué lindo, güey. Qué lindo, güey. Qué gringo, güey.
Qué gringo.
Qué gringo, güey. Wow, wow, wow. Super bien. Oh, we're so close. So close. Here's the view.
Zip line, oder?
All right, we made it up here. I finally made it up here. Everyone else did. So,
Die ganzen Getränke und so, glaubst du nicht?
this view is absolutely amazing.
Also, wenn du hier arbeitest, wo du Stand hast und dann alles im Hochschleppen musst.
And this is, I don't know, how many steps was it, boys? 600.
650 or something.
650-ish. All these birds flying around. They're looking for stragglers like me to pick up off the, pick them off the. This is the lesson. Listen to your body, everybody. Listen to your body. If you have any inkling that you should not do something, don't do it. Listen to your body. Because this was a struggle. but I'm also glad I did it.
Na klar, wenn ihr ein iPhone habt.
All right, boys, you wanna give me a piggyback down? Just give me a piggyback down.
What is a piggyback?
A piggyback, like get on your back. I'll get on your back.
On this back.
Yeah, with the backpack already. Oh, it's gonna be so much easier coming down. Maybe, actually. It's just hard on the knees. Yeah, we did it. Didn't give up. Did not give up. I've also told these guys, I told these guys, everywhere I've gone, always met Germans. Always met Germans. Huh?
Is that a nice?
It's a great thing.
It's a great thing.
Every German I've met has been proper awesome.
Except for our one.
Except for this one. These two. I want to say two things in German. Actually, no, three things. There's Guten Tag, ich heiße Wort, Scheiße, and...
That's enough.
Always scheiße.
Yeah, Scheiße. Oh man, okay, got glasses finally. Jeez. It's a whole new world. A whole new world.
The original Oakleys you've got.
Yes, they're very original, not fake at all. Not fake at all. Only...
Oh, what's standing there? Okays.
Okay. It's okay though, because it was these Oakleys were only 30,000 pesos.
So they are okay.
So they're okay. So it's all good. Todo bien. No hay problema. No hay pedo, güey. No hay pedo, güey. So, ay, there's your new job, bro.
Yeah.
So man right here is he's a US
US fighter pilot.
no, he's a
F-16.
Yeah, exactly. No, he's a US Federal Aviation Administration licensed
Owner.
pilot. Owner, yeah. He owns it. So yeah. So he's a licensed pilot in the States. He's getting his license transferred over to Germany. But it's pretty sick, man. So I was telling him, take the helicopters down there and fly us around. So you want to fly the helicopters, no?
Yeah, but I'm not satisfied.
Why?
It's too expensive.
Ah.
I need some sponsors.
You just join them.
Maybe you can pay me.
Ah, maybe when I'm rich.
Yeah. So subscribe and hit like.
There you go. Exacto. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna go try and find the town, I think, and see what we can get into next. So we decided to get a tuk-tuk. I don't know where we're going, but it doesn't matter. What the fuck? Man almost crashed us. Wait, oh, okay. Gracias, papi. Okay, transfer, I guess, huh? Okay, so I guess we're going on this one now.
This one's much nicer.
Yeah.
Das ist in der letzten Tasche wieder.
Hey! They just passed us. Alright, so quick update. I'm feeling better than I was climbing up that hill. Probably sweated out half my disease. So we were told by the last tuk-tuk driver that it's very dangerous to swim in the water here. People have died.
I didn't understand why.
I didn't either. I think it's because runoff. There's runoff and it's just really dirty. You know?
Maybe
There's just bacteria and stuff, you know? I wouldn't swim in it.
I think he told me that many people like drown here. So that's maybe something to do with current, I don't know.
Okay, well, that's also what we don't want to do.
Don't want to die today.
We don't want to die today. We have an 11 too. So esposa.
Don't have a sponsor.
The esposa.
My wife.
He's been talking to his wife the whole time.
This one right.
Yeah.
I could be a father.
Bum bum
I don't
bum.
know about this one.
Who's older, you or you?
What do you think?
I don't think anything, bro.
Look at these hairs.
Hola chicos. Okay, so we just arrived here. Great. ¿Cuánto cuesta, amigo? 22,000. Claro. Okay, wow, so we just came into Guatapé off on the street. This is a very pretty town. Very pretty. Got paint everywhere, artwork. Lots of really cool murals and stuff. It's very pretty. I like it. It's very cool. Okay. Oye, mira. Los solados.
What?
Los solados.
What's solados?
Los solados.
Ah, yeah.
See? So we have some soldiers over here. They're here for something, I don't know what, but it's okay. You're back there talking to su esposa. Su esposa. So once again, it's not just 2 Germans, 4 Germans, a Switzerland, and an American take on a small town in Colombia, outside of Medellin. It's been a good day.
Nur so, falls du denkst.
Yes. Yes. ¿Qué sabor tú quieres?
Lass mich zahlen. Tiramisu, Brownie und Stracciatella, ne?
Wow.
It's crazy.
Wow, wow, wow. Crazy.
It's good.
It's good. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my God. Well, we made it back to the bus station. And we're gonna find the Uber, get back home, and yeah, hopefully I can get some rest. And maybe I'll stay up a little bit more, hang out with our friends that we met. Because you know what? I can sleep when I'm dead. If you guys enjoyed this video of madness, make sure to like the video and comment down below everything. It's nice to meet all these new friends and hang out with these 2 guys again, always. So with that, see you guys later.